Hello! Adding a line to your Twigby Mobile account is easy. This video shows you how to add a line with an eSIM onto your account by using a phone that you already have. Let's begin. Start by logging in to your Twigby Mobile account. Then click My Account, Add a Line, or Add a Line below. Now click Check Your Phone. Here, you will enter your IMEI2 for your eSIM-capable phone. If you need help, click Need Help below the box and you can read the information provided. Once you have entered this number, click Check Phone. If your phone is compatible, now you can click eSIM Instant Activation. Here, you can click Keep Your Number or Get New Number. In this video, we will show getting a new number. Now you will enter your service address information and then click Continue. This will take you to Plan Options. Here, simply select the plus button to add one to your cart and then click Continue. Now you will review your order. You can also enter any promo codes here. Then click Checkout. Now you can review your order and click which card you wish to check out with, or you can add a new card to your account here. Then click Purchase. You will then get a confirmation page with your order number. This tells you that you will receive an additional email on your activation for your eSIM. That's how to add a line with eSIM by bringing your phone to Twigby Mobile.